My clip is a normal, a perfect audio. Okay, now if I apply a blur effect over the clip, that's the result. Okay, now if I quit the effect and remove it, it turns normal again. The same with the wave effect. Removing. Now, how to fix.